Colin at Land Rover Dayton, a White Island European Auto Group, and we're going to go over how to change the battery in a Land Rover key today. First thing, you're going to need to press in pretty firmly on this little section right here, and that's going to release your manual key. And then with that key or another tool, you can pry on this section here, and it just involves removing this backing piece. It does take considerable effort to get this to come off. You're going to feel like you're going to break it. So after some effort, you're going to make sure that you get this top corner unseated, and then you can use the key to continue to pry like this. You'll hear it click, and you just keep moving down to get this to release. So once you have used a key or a tool, a strong screwdriver perhaps, to pry through this side along the metal here, it should release like this and expose the battery in there. It will take some effort, and you are going to feel like you're going to break it. This key is extremely difficult to take apart. Once it's done, the battery is easier to replace, but yeah, you're going to think you're going to break it. It's not going to, but it is difficult.